Alright guys, I'm outside right now. I'm actually doing a snowmobile video today. I don't know if you guys want to see this stuff or not. Otherwise, then I can have some other people that do like snowmobiles come and watch my videos. But my subscribers that watch my lawnmower stuff, I want you to comment down below and see if you want to see more of my snowmobiling stuff. I just want to find out. It's okay if you don't, but I just need to know. But today, I'm going to be doing a tune-up, like more of a in-depth major tune-up to my sled, which is right here. It's a Polaris 600 XLT. It's a 98. It's in really nice shape, doesn't have a lot of miles on it. You can see that, just over 3,000. So, like I said, it's in really good shape. It runs, well that's the thing, it doesn't run as good as it should be. When you get up to top end, you try and hit it, and it'll bog down and it'll go right back up, and it'll bog down and right back up, and it's kind of weird. So I'm thinking I'm gonna just do a tune-up to it and do some stuff like clean the carburetors and clean the carbon off the head, stuff like that, just to get this thing last longer, get it freshened up. This one, on the other hand, which is a 96, same thing, just a 96, it runs perfect. I don't know why. This one just runs perfect. This one doesn't. And yeah, I'll show you in just a second. I'm going to start it up and drive it a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to start them up, and I'm going to compare the difference between the one that runs good and the one that doesn't run good. You'll hear that this one, right at the beginning, it kind of just bogs, and then it just goes right up. But this one, it just responds right away. So I'm pretty sure you'll be able to hear the difference. I'm going to mount the camera on my helmet, and then you'll see that this one runs way better. Alright, so yeah, you can see that one really doesn't run very well, so yeah, we're going to take this and we're going to bring it in the shop and we're going to start. First thing I think I'm going to do is take the head off, and then that'll make it easier to get to like the carbs and stuff, but we'll get it in there. Oh, sorry, the wind, but we'll get it in there and we'll start getting into it. Yeah, we gotta clean this up first. You know what? We'll just get in here. Pull a sled in here. And then maybe we can... I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I guess we'll bring it in here. And then my dad will pull the truck out. And then we can move it over to the side. And then the car can go in here. But then I'll just set it there and work on it right there. Alright, so it's in here. Gotta wait till my dad actually gets home. Should be home any minute here, but gonna back out the truck. We'll move it over there, and then the car can just go right here. Alright, so that's gonna be it for part one. Don't worry, you don't have to wait like a week for the next part to come. Click right on the XLT. Click right on the XLT to find part 2. If you're watching this like 2 minutes after I uploaded it, then you might want to wait like maybe like half hour for me to upload it. But anyway, click on XLT for part 2, and that's when we'll actually do the work on it. See you next time.